No, I look bad. Hi guys. I'm not gonna say hi guys, okay? My walk-in sucks actually. Hi, shh. Hi, I am gonna do my makeup for you guys today. All of you Vogue readers and you Vogue bloggers and you Vogue fans, we are gonna have some fun today. So I hope you're ready. We are gonna start with foundation. So I like to get messy with it. Let's do this. This I just like because it's like a safe bet. It's consistent. Okay, that's only half my face. I can do my makeup in 10 minutes or 10 hours, it feels like sometimes. Depends on what kind of day you're having and how much of a rush you really are. My next step is gonna be a little bit of contour. Mocha here to contour. Very important to contour your face according to your face shape, not like every YouTube tutorial. I have a huge forehead, so I like to go in a little deeper here, you know, hide that. It's very important to go into your hairline too because I hate to see that white line between your forehead and your hair. It should just blend in naturally. And up and down the nose. Contour always starts off looking absolutely crazy. Hide that double chin. I actually learned how to contour when I gained weight, believe it or not. The fat days and your cheeks looking like baby cheeks, you just gotta like, see that? I like to go in and do all the deeper situations before I go in and like highlight my face. This is looking a little messy right now, but I'll handle that. You always want to do a triangle when you're doing your contour under there. Gives you that long neck situation, it just disappears. Concealer. This I actually like to warm up on my hand first, just like that. And then like one little swipe. Everybody knows concealer is like made for hiding bags and dark circles and hangovers and bad decisions. All right here, the cure. My day-to-day really depends on my mood. It depends on the occasion, how lazy I'm feeling that day, how much in a rush I am, you know, who I'm gonna see. It all determines what kind of makeup I do and how much makeup I'm gonna wear. Okay, we're looking a little smoother. All right, I'm gonna go around my nose because I have a little sunburn right now. I have a little redness right there. Straight up and down the nose bridge. Mattify this face because things can get a little out of control. I use this powder to set my contour, to set my makeup, to blot. Oh my gosh, when you get greasy on the fly, honey, it is no joke. Always in my purse. I cannot leave home without this. And if it doesn't fit in my purse, then I'm switching purses. We need to warm up this face a little bit. So I'm gonna use a little bit of bronzer and just go over that contour. The blend is real. A little more finesse on the forehead over here. You guys can see it's not that difficult. It only takes me long when I'm procrastinating. I'm going along my nose right here. Next, brows. And next, I'm gonna use that same bronzer and start to warm up my eyes a little bit. You'll see my eyes will start to come to life a little bit. You see that? I have been watching women do makeup since my mom, and from there I started working in an industry where makeup was gonna be part of my everyday. So I picked up a lot of tips there, and I think the best teacher is yourself. You have to practice on your own face because there are gonna be certain things that you can do better than a makeup artist. There's gonna become a point where they hand you the makeup and you do it. For me, that's my brows. I'm super caught up about my brows and my nose contour because I'm black, you know, that's a very special nose. Next is going to be a little bit of eyelid drama. Beach please. Beach please. Get it? Yeah. I'm gonna start with a little bit of the pink on the lids because it says summer, sunset, drama, bitches. That was easy. I always like to warm up underneath my eyes, give it a little definition. What kind of day I'm having determines how I apply this. Most days you just want to go right underneath the lash line, but on a day like today, when I barely had any sleep, you want to go all the way down, get all those little creases. But the creases are gonna show up. Like if they're there, they're gonna show up. Like, see that right there? No, I have to blend that out. This is the fun part. I'm gonna use the same palette. Blush is also something that depends on your mood. You know, sometimes you want to give them a little natural vibe, give them a little bronze, you know, a little hint. And then sometimes you just want to go ape. Like right now. Right now I want to give you guys a vibe. And my vibe for summer is more is more. You definitely want to smile when you're putting on your blush. Here's your face. And there are your cheeks. See, as soon as you smile, you know exactly where to put that. Okay, I'm gonna stop now. Now I know you guys probably noticed that I've been using this really cool brush, which I like to call my shark tooth brush. It's a cheek hugging brush. It's made perfectly for your cheeks. I wanna try some of this. See that? I can get really carried away when it comes to the highlight. I really could. I layer highlight all the time. There's a technique to it. You just gotta figure out what kind of vibe you're going for, and the colors need to go together and blend together. This is like, whoa, this is giving me my life right now. I'm gonna highlight my nose bridge with the same brush. Boom. I can even take this and go into my brow bone. Just like that. I think the key to highlighter is not being afraid of it. There's lots of ways to play with highlighter. It doesn't only belong on your cheekbones. Lots of people think that. Makeup is fun. It's there to play with. I like to do the corner of my eyes because it gives you a little zest or oomph, as a lot of people like to call it. Look at that. Lashes. Next, I want to do lips. This looks fresh, like it's in the vein of what I'm trying to do. It looks pink right here, but you see that little bit of gold? Look how much it really shows up. Guys, I mean, you guys. Look at that. I feel kind of cute. Voila. My next and final step is body. I know you guys know how much I love this product. I do need this kabuki brush because this is where the magic lies. It's glorious. Look at it. I think I'm ready. Woo! Where are we going tonight? We going to the club. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial because I'm done.